Face ID is one of the security measures a lot of iPhone users use to protect and access their device without any problem. But if it is not properly set up, this can expose your iPhone to intruders. Your iPhone can be used without your proper attention, and you know what it means? Your data will be accessed, your information on your device will be exposed. So what you need to do is to go ahead right away and turn on these three features that I want to explain to you in this video so that your Face ID will be properly secured even when your phone is not with you. Now, go to the settings button and tap on it. Once tap on settings button, locate and tap on Face ID and passcode. Provide your passcode if it brings out this information. Now, under Face ID and passcode, scroll up to this button. The first one is attention awareness. If this button is turned off on your own, make sure you turn it on. iPhone will check for attention before dimming the display, expanding a notification when locked, or lowering the volume of some alert. If this button is toggled off, make sure it is toggled on your device. This will monitor your proper attention. If your attention is not fully appeared, then your phone will not be unlocked while using your Face ID. So if maybe you sleep on the couch or you've been carried away and someone just take your phone and try to scan your face to unlock your phone without your proper attention, your phone will not be locked. The second important thing that you need to turn on right away is on the same page, require attention for Face ID. If this button is turned off, make sure you toggle it on your device. True depth camera provide an additional level of security by verifying that you are looking at the iPhone before authenticating. If you are not looking on the iPhone before authenticating, this might compromise your iPhone. So make sure you turn on this button and be sure that it's on. So when someone is trying to access your iPhone without your permission and you are not looking at the phone, the camera properly, your iPhone will not authenticate and your phone will not unlock. The last setting is still on the same page. Is this Face ID with mask. If you are able to use mask all the time, make sure you enable this button and set your Face ID with mask. This will give action, or this will help your iPhone to recognize your face even with mask and be able to unlock it with mask. But if you are the type that don't use mask or Face ID or face mask all the time, make sure that you turn it off like the way you see on the screen. So toggle on these three buttons, guys. Put your iPhone to high potential, high security level with the Face ID. That is all I want you to get in this video. If you enjoyed this tip, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.